Okay, everything is fine.
Yeah. Fine, Ravi.
Yes, fine.
Okay, so here what? HTTP status dot what? HTTP status dot what? Delete, right?
Delete. Yes.
Oh, sorry, status. Why I'm taking status? HTTP
Not
method
static method.
dot delete, right?
That delete.
Okay, so here we don't have need response entity. So what we will pass? Just null.
Null.
Okay,
Response
so
type string dot class.
yeah, here we will take string dot what? Class.
Class.
And it will return
And
what?
response entity of string.
Very good, very good. Response entity, right? String, right? RE. Okay, fine now, guys. So let's see that. Okay.
RE dot get object.
Yes. So here
Get body.
sysout. Just I'm taking what? RE dot get body, right?
Get body.
Body.
Yeah.
Get body. Fine. Okay. Another one is what?
Status code value.
Get status code value.
Get status code value.
Yes. Get status code value.
Value.
Get status code.
Get a status code. Fine. Fine. Now let's run the application. What happened? Something wrong?
Ravi, we did not pass the ID.
ID not passed.
ID is not there. Oh, very
ID.
yes.
ID.
Yes.
5.
So here,
Five.
comma, and we will have to pass the 5. Very good observation. Appreciated you. Now run. Yeah, see, product 5 removed, right? We are getting the message, right?
Yes, removed.
Yeah, product
Now,
remove 5.
come in the
200.
database. Come see this 5th record is removed, guys.
Here is removed.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
5th one is removed, na?
Yes.
Now, like how we are developing our consumer and how we are trapping the data using REST template. Now everyone is getting the clear picture.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. It's all clear now.
Yes.
Okay.
Ravi. Yes.
Okay, guys. So next weekend I'm planning to start microservices. Let's see that how many like module is left, right? Microservices I will start in the microservices only. Batch API I will use. Batch API, right? Batch API module I will cover. After then MongoDB. After then security. After then Equator. This topic is still left. These models is still left. Okay, these models I will cover in the microservices, guys. Okay, in the microservices this topic is I will cover up. Okay.
Web client also they will ask, Ravi. Web client.
No, web client actually if whatever things I till now web client they will ask synchronous and asynchronous call. For the asynchronous call purpose they are calling, right?
Okay.
They will ask. Okay, they will ask. Okay, no problem. How we are developing, right? REST template, same instead of REST template we are taking what web client, but that one will take what asynchronous calls because of that the industry are using. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to explain what is that JUnit
Unit testing.
with
Testing.
unit testing with what Mockito. Unit testing with
Okay.
Mockito. Unit testing. Okay, guys. So till now, see this topic is still left. Okay, choice is yours, guys. Okay, inform your friends, whoever serious about the right microservices. Do like those subject will not get on YouTube, guys. Okay, I will not update. Okay, on the YouTube channel. I will provide the link and I will upload in the drive. Okay, so you will get from there only. But whoever join our session live,
Okay, sir.
those
Okay,
people
sir.
those
Okay,
people
sir.
only will get what. Otherwise,
Ravi, I
Yes,
have
sir.
one question.
Yes.
Can you power Mockito?
Power Marketo tomorrow, same the discussion is there, man. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Power Marketo only tomorrow. Power Marketo, everything I will cover.
Ravi, can you explain one more time like different methods present in RT REST template, like post for object, get for entity? What is the actually difference between them?
Get if you want to make the get kind of right, get kind of request. So for that get entity. If you want to make the post request. So for that post entity, post for method in is there, right? 1 minute. Where the call post call is there, right? If you want to save the data in the server, right? So for that, what is that? What is the method is there now? See here, what is that? Post for entity.
Post for entity.
If you want to make the get calls. So for that, what is that? Get entity is there.
Get for entity.
What is that? See this
Mhm.
get for entity, right?
Yes, Ravi.
And put delete also, put delete also there. But what is that? Those method return type is what wide. Because of that, I did not took, because if I took that method, if I take that method, right? So we can't get any return type, right? So whatever messages we are getting, okay, this data is removed. Those message we will not get from the consumer. Because of that, I was not used. Clear?
Okay, or how can we differentiate this with a post for object or post or get for object?
Okay. So whenever we are writing the method, okay, why we are writing the method? By seeing that if I'm writing the add, right? Add, and one method I'm writing multiplication. By seeing that method, by seeing that method, what you can understand, which kind of what is the purpose of those method?
So
If
just for calculation purpose.
yeah, one for adding purpose and another one is what? Multiplication purpose, right? Similarly, what is the method? See this, what is the method name?
This get for
Get
entity.
method.
Okay, so here we are getting like a header and body both, na?
Header and a body. In the response entity we are getting. Get for entity means we have need to make the call for the purpose we are using. And what is that? Post, right? 1 minute. Post call. If you want, what is the method for the post? What is the name here? Post. By seeing that you can
Post.
understand, right? This method used for what?
Yes.
Posting purpose. And
Posting.
what?
Post.
By seeing this one was here, what is that? If you want to make the get call, then what is that? Get for my entity.
No, there is one more method available, na? Get for object.
Get for object, right?
Put. RT dot.
RT data. RT.
Where that? Oh, 1 minute.
RST.
Get for object, right?
Get for object.
This one will
Yes, Ravi.
return directly object only. See this here. Any method is there. We are selecting one record, right? That record method in the 1 minute in the consumer. See this where somewhere is there.
Okay, anywhere if we are
Yeah.
returning a
If
direct object.
direct if our producer is returning object, right? At the time we are taking
Yes,
that.
yes, yes.
See in
Okay, so
here.
it is legacy process, na? Like,
Yes. See,
yeah,
but
okay,
if we
okay.
have the alternate facility, then why we will take it? Here, see this here, the same, because of that exception handling we are using that. Otherwise, if we are taking only one, right, product get one product only. Then here we will take product only, right? So for the at the time we will use that method. That's it.
Okay.
Single object. If you want to trap the single object from the producer, right? At the time you can use that method.
Okay.
Very
And
small
what is the
doubt.
difference between exchange and execute?
Sorry.
Exchange and execute.
Exchange having, right, some based on that HTTP methodology, right? See, 1 minute, where the exchange and in the single method itself only we can do everything, right? Even a header section and a body section data also we can send it, right? But in the like what exchange, right? Exchange I also not seen that. 1 minute, I have need to see that, guys. Okay, execute method is there. Execute. Okay, I will check it. Okay, still I did not check this one. Okay, I will check it later. Okay, I don't have idea about this one. Later we will 1 minute, let's see. RT dot
Okay.
execute method is there na? 1 minute. Request callback response executor. 1 minute, I have need to open the declaration and I have need to read the documentation, then I can tell, okay, what is the main purpose. First I have need to prepare itself only, then I will tell, okay, clear picture, because unnecessary I can't, unnecessary things I can't give, guys. Okay, because I also don't have idea about this method. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn what yes.
Small doubt, like now in this consumer application, we have not written service class in DAL. Like if we want to store the data coming from the producer, here also we have to write the service layer and
Everything,
database layer. Right?
yeah, everything will be there. Just in the whenever we are developing what our integration layer, right? There itself only what we will do it, we will include these methods itself only. And based on that request and the response, our if the data need to store in the our consumer application database, then we will then our integration layer will interact with service class, and the service class will interact with what DAL layer, data access layer.
Okay. Yeah, that flow is clear. Okay, fine then. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. It's kind of off-topic question. I just wanted to know, how can we commit our project or our code to Bitbucket?
Bitbucket.
Like using IntelliJ IDE.
IntelliJ IDE. In my machine, IntelliJ IDE is not there. How I can tell blindly? Okay. First, okay, don't worry. Tomorrow I will install that IntelliJ IDE, right? And if I get the chance after ending, I will commit the code. The same code only I will import in the IntelliJ, and then I will commit in the my GitHub, and there you can download and download that this project, right?
Okay. I understand that the difference between GitHub and Bitbucket is just privacy purposes, where GitHub is public and Bitbucket is a
Git and GitHub. GitHub is the server, something is there, but we are using only Git in the development phase only, where we are committing our code. Except that I don't have idea about much in the Git. Okay, so just where we are storing our data in the central repository, that much only I also know about the Git.
Okay, all right, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so tomorrow we will learn what is JUnit plus what Mockito, guys. Okay. Same application, same application I will perform JUnit operation, guys. Okay, so my humble request, just complete this mini project until unless if you not completing, because whatever experiment I'm doing based on this mini project itself only I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so first you have to complete this mini project, guys. Okay, without this mini project you can't get clear picture. See this.
So Ravi,
yes,
So this code we have that whatever we have written in command line runner, we have tried that in integration layer. If you want
Yeah,
to
we
build
have
an
need to
application.
write here just what like again I can't develop already producer
Correct,
application I completed in the two end, right? Every layer I
Yes.
included. Again in the consumer also, right? I can't develop
Yeah.
that much code, right?
Correct.
So because of that I did not like just I used a command line runner, and even in
Yes,
that
yes,
command
yes.
line runner itself only I used REST template, right?
Yeah, right.
So one consumer, right? One see these things we completed till now. Where the things is there? See, next weekend onward we will learn these things, guys. Okay, we will enter in the microservices, and whoever serious about to learn the microservices, inform those people. And like on the YouTube channel, those video will be not available.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah. See, Swagger Log4j. Okay, tomorrow we will learn what?
Unit testing. and
Unit testing,
UI
right?
integration.
UI integration on AngularJS. We will see that. Okay, we will see that. We if time is there, then we will implement. Otherwise, this one also will take much time. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, but unit
You
testing plus
already done na this?
yeah, this one already I have done in what in the Spring Boot REST.
Spring Boot
Spring.
REST.
Yes,
Sorry, Spring
videos
REST.
are available.
No. In Spring REST. In Spring REST already I covered.
Yeah.
In the mini project at the
But I
time also.
also need to-
Then no need to say it, cover it, go it again, Ravi, because
Yes,
we can
yes.
cover
Yes, Ravi,
many
no
things.
need to.
Mhm.
Then not required.
Same things again I have need to implement here also. Nothing changes
Not
will be
required,
there.
Ravi.
So tomorrow
No problem.
I will complete this task. Okay, tomorrow unit testing with Mockito.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, Ravi.
Fine, good.
Okay, so let's stop the session now, guys. Okay, so
Okay, Ravi. Thank you.
whoever interested, inform them. Okay, again maybe again after taking one time again I don't know I will take the microservices or not, and even I will deliver good subject in microservices.
Yes.
Okay, Ravi.
Sure.
Okay, guys, so let's stop the session. We will meet tomorrow. Thanks for
Thank
the
you very
session.
much, Ravi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you for being here.
Okay, guys, bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Mhm.